Okay. Let's get this walk on the road a little bit. Alright. Snow is melting now. The blizzard of 2016, January 24th, Sunday. I'm gonna go ahead and walk Joey for a short walk. Fortunately, the snow is melting quite a bit, so at least people are coming out of their homes now. But unlike last night, when I was walking, there was nobody in sight. But let's go see how it looks. Ooh, really bright. Okay, you see people like showing. Wow, there's a lot of open areas now. All right. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, stay. Man. Alrighty. Knee deep in snow. Yeah, we took a walk last night. Wow, there's a lot of people out here shoveling their cars on Sunday afternoon. See, these are the cars right here. But everybody's shoveling, so you know, they can get to work tomorrow. This one, damn, they did a good job on this one. These cars, yeah, they don't look so well. There's Vlad right there. He's shoveling right now too, trying to get his car out. Yeah, that's my car. That's my car right next to it. It's gonna be a little while. Yeah. Whew.
Joey.
Come on. Stop, Joey. Stop. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Yeah, it seems like everybody's just outside shoveling right now. But as you can see, the snow is piled up as high as so many people here. So, yeah. Believe it or not, there was more last night. I'm just gonna keep on walking down the street. Come on. Hello? Wow, they did a good job. A lot of people here they really plowed the hell out of their driveways so they can get out and go to work. Hey, how you doing? I'm quite impressed actually, considering like how I saw last night. They were like it's like I'm gonna have to come outside and start up myself. Oh, somebody actually tried to move that car. That's pretty hardcore right there. Come on, Joey. Go. Hello. Come on.
Hey, what's up, Dad?
Hey, what's up? I thought you two looked familiar. Is this your car? You guys get it out?
Yeah.
Wow. There's so many people outside now. I took a walk last night and there was like nobody outside. Come on, Joey.
Guys, 2 dogs need
Let's go. Hey. How y'all doing? Yeah. Go ahead, guys. He's pretty friendly.
It's Joey, right?
Yeah.
Hi. I couldn't catch you because Zoe
Down.
was mean. No, I couldn't. Honey, look at the camera I was talking about.
Yeah. Hey.
Oh, he's
Oh, there he goes. Okay. Yeah.
There you go.
Did you do anything good on the GoPro?
Huh? No. Well, I went out last night, but it was too dark. The picture quality wasn't that good.
Oh, yeah.
But so I want to try like during the daytime right now.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
And you know, I only used this GoPro like about 3 times. I had it for like years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Never used it.
Never used it. I got a 3D printer that I haven't even opened up in like a year.
Really?
Yeah. Joey, come on. Let's go, come on.
Alright, have fun.
Come on, Joey. Y'all take it easy.
You too.
Thanks. Alright. Some neighbors, but yeah, look at these driveways. See, like that car. That's what it looked like all the cars look like last night. But as you can see, everybody's just shoveling. They're getting their cars out so they can get to work on tomorrow. It's only Sunday, like about 2. No, it's not even 2. It's like 1 p.m. right now. Joey, come on. Oh, hey. How you doing? Come on, Joey. Come on. Hey. Huh? Yeah. I'm about to go start shoveling myself. Yeah, my dog's like pretty nice. If your dog reacts like barking and stuff, he'll just run away before he does anything else.
That's this one.
Yeah. He's the jumpy one? I'm gonna have to walk by there though.
Yeah, I know. It's vicious, watch out.
He's a strong boy, though.
Yeah. Let's go, Joey. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Go.
No, I don't eat
Go.
yellow snow.
Yeah, Joey, come on. Y'all take it easy. Stop. Let's go. Come on. Huh? Go ahead. Okay. Thank you. Come on, Joey. Go. How y'all doing?
Gorgeous dog.
Oh, thank you, sir. Y'all take it easy. You seem like you're in like Daytona Beach over there.
Where's my man's hand?
I know, I can tell, man. All this snow is giving you a really nice tan, right? Y'all take it easy, all right? Go. How you doing? All right. All right. We'll have to walk back over here. Throw this little package into the oh, and there's Vlad. I can see him. All right, come on, come on. Well, you want to try to go through here, Joey? Come on. Hey, hey, hey. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Where you guys going?
I'm just trying to get to that trash can.
Oh, to dump it?
Yeah, to throw this thing. I want to leave him here though.
I'm gonna go to Boris because.
Oh, you're gonna go to Boros?
Hell yeah.
Are you serious?
What's wrong with that?
Aren't you scared to lose your spot? You worked so hard to dig it out.
Oh, fuck no. I'm gonna put an orange cone or a trash can here.
Okay.
Better not take my spot.
There's a, you know what? I'll pick those two up later. This is my car.
But see, cleaning yesterday helped a lot.
Yeah.
Water has no shovels.
Are you serious?
Water has shovels, which I told them they won't have any.
This is me. Hey, I only got one glove. But I'm left-handed. Nah, just right.
Well, we can do it that way.
Damn. I want to have
That's
to.
not yours.
Huh?
That's not yours.
Yeah. I can tell by the mini antenna.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I looked in the back. All my tools and stuff are in there.
Okay, because I buried it even more.
Oh, did you? Oh, okay.
I got a shovel left and right, so I try to split it half and half between you and your neighbor.
It's all right. I'm not going anywhere, so I might just let the sun, what you call it? See?
Yeah,
I can get like big chunks. Yeah, I can get like big chunks now, so it's all good.
You can come to Boris if you want, but I'm probably gonna be there a couple hours.
I'm chill. I'll be all right.
Yeah, it'll fall apart or not.
Oh,
Yep.
there. Big meteors of. And here comes Eskimo Johnny. Yeah, it'll be all right. I just gotta get all this.
Tomorrow, you might as well take your time then.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can like let the sunlight melt it a little bit, and then.
What I'm trying to do is make a clear path so the whole car can come out.
Yeah.
And even that's not that easy.
There's another whatchamacallit, right? There's another shovel. Are you taking that one to Boros?
Well, if you're not using it, I'll take it. If you're using it, then no.
I think I'm gonna use it.
All right.
Just cause I'm not sure about what my boss is gonna say.
I mean, I'll ask the neighbors for one as well.
Are you? Oh, do you need to?
Well, Water has 2 cars. And
Oh.
Juliana's not gonna do much of a shoveling.
Yeah.
It's all good though. She use ours. I'll ask the neighbors.
Let's see. Trying to gauge down how much. Yeah, I'm gonna need like at least one shovel. Yeah. I'm gonna. Yeah. All right. I'm actually gonna be back after I turn this off and, you know. Come on, Joey. Come on. Come on. Go around. No. 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 Come on. Come on. Good. Look at it. Do that again. Do that again. That's Marcelo, my neighbor. Cool dude, man. They've been sledding down that they created that little runway.
Gotta make the best of this, baby. Joey's gonna get me at the end.
Man, that thing. Oh! I got it, bro. I got it.
This is estimated.
That thing is dead. I was just talking. I was like, man, that cardboard looks about done. Hey, little buddy. Hey, little buddy. No. Hey, no. Come here. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Marcelo. Little doggy came outside.
What?
Little doggy ran outside.
Where?
It's over there.
What?
Oh, yeah, right there. Yeah, sorry about that. Joey, stop. He caught him when he was sliding down. Come here, boy. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, Joey. That little dog just ran out the house and just like booked it across the street. Louie, come on, Louie. Louie, come on. Go, Louie. Go, Louie. Louie, no, come on. Come on, boy.
Come on.
Thanks, y'all. Y'all take it easy. Well, I gotta put the thing back on. I gotta head back inside. Let's go, Joey. Come on. We're going back inside now. Can you squeeze through here, Joey? Nope, I don't think you can. Let's go this way. Come on, Joey. Come on. Let's go this way then. Go. Hey. Go. Hey, stop. Go. Let's go. Up. All right, we're gonna head back in now. Turn this bad boy off, and let's call it a wrap. Okay. Whew.